Salutations. I'm new here. I'm just following you guys. You guys look like big kids. Hi guys, these are my new friends. Check it out. Grade 4 and 5 representing. Oh, you guys are older? 6th graders. This is a very important day for me. Okay, this is the big one. Let's do this. Oh jeez! Oh jeez! Oh jeez! Oh, here we go! Oh! Oh! Okay, that hurt. I got a lot of snow in my pants. Woohoo! Okay, guys, Godspeed. I don't know if I did that right. Here we go! I got frostbite. You want to see? We're out here in the biggest blizzard of New York City in the last decade. Having a great time here in NYC. Thanks for going sledding with us.